Mike Hughes here. I'm at the easydive.us.com and we're looking at the Easy Dive system, and we're here with Vince. You want to tell us a little bit about it?
Sure. We developed a new system called Easy Dive. And the cool thing about this product is it only weighs 15 pounds. It's a complete mini dive system. We also embedded a new product to go along with it called a snorkelator, which allows you to...
The snorkelator.
Yes, it's right here. It allows you to switch from snorkel to dive mode with the flip of a switch.
Okay.
So the advantage of that is you could be snorkeling on the surface, and then if you see something farther down, deeper down, you can just hit the switch, go into dive mode, and go down and get that picture, or pick up that game, or try to hunt that game you're interested in. And then as you get back towards the surface, you can just switch back to snorkel mode, which will allow you to have a long snorkel dive experience.
Okay, and it's a 19-liter bottle?
Yeah, we paired it with a 19 cubic foot cylinder.
Yes.
We even have a dial pressure gauge on it, so you can know how much air you got in it.
Oh, okay. That's a mini dial then.
Yes, everything's miniature to make it light. In fact, the way we lightened it up, one of the way we lightened the load up is we integrated the first stage of the regulator onto the top of the tank valve.
Okay. And so it comes in a little tiny pack unit.
Right. It comes with the vest, and it comes with the regulator and the snorkelator, and it comes in a carry bag, and you just pair a mask and a fin with it. And you, if, like for example, boaters really love it. You put that bag on your boat instead of carrying a full set of gear that weighs a lot.
Right.
80 cubic foot tank's pretty heavy and all the weights. And you always have a mini dive system. Like for example, you drop your barbecue cut. You're at the mooring. It's 40, 50 feet down. You drop something.
Or keys or whatever.
Whatever. You can just now you don't have to let it go. You can just put on this and go down and get it and come back.
It doesn't take long to put on?
No, it's really simple, lightweight.
That's nice and very convenient. All right, and once again, more information, just go to easydive.us.com.
easydive.us.com.
Perfect. I can almost do that too.